शुक्लांबरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये। ॐ ब्रह्मानन्दं परमसुखदं केवलं ज्ञानमूर्तिं द्वन्द्वातीतं गगनसदृशं तत्त्वमस्यादिलक्ष्यम् एकं नित्यं विमलमचलं सर्वदी साक्षिभूतं भावातीतं त्रिगुणरहितं सद्गुरुं तं नमामि। ॐ सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। सर्ववेदान्तसिद्धान्त गोचरं तमगोचरं गोविन्दं परमानन्दं सद्गुरुं प्रणतोऽस्म्यहम्।
160, 160.
देहोऽहमित्येव जडस्य बुद्धिः देहे च जीवे विदुषस्त्वहन्तिः विवेकविज्ञानवतो महात्मनः ब्रह्माहमित्येव मतिः सदात्मनि अन्वय।
No, we already see. Go ahead. A lay person has the notion that the body is I. The one who has some knowledge of Shastras, not that Atma Jnana, but he had studied Vedas, did not study Vedas, but knows something about the Vedas. Such a person has got the I-ness in both the body and Jivatma, because he does many karmas, result of which is hereafter. If body were I, body is not going to continue hereafter, means results, Swarga, etc. are meant for the one who is distinct from the body. Means for Laukika purpose, worldly purpose, you take the body as I. As for the Paramarthika, Amushnika, otherworldly purpose, he takes the Jiva as I. But Vijnanava, who is Atmajnani, he knows Paramartha, which is that Paramartha Rupa, Brahma Aham. I am Brahma Swarupa. That I is in its true place, not in the body, not in the subtle body, which is Jivatma, not there at all. So that is what he says. Therefore, what is to be done? Which of the three you would like to choose? Option. total option for you. Which of the three you would like to do? First one you did not opt, already there. Second one, we have to see. So that is there. If you are not ready, you have to opt for the. If you are not ready for the third one, then you have no other goal than to opt for the second one. But everyone wants the best or not. What is the best? But mere opting, tick marking will not help. So, see, desiring itself is not sufficient. One should deserve. One should deserve. So, with sadhana chatushtaya sampatti, one has to discover I am Brahma, Aham Asmi, and therefore I notion in the body has to be totally given up. Therefore it says,
अत्रात्मबुद्धिं त्यज मूढबुद्धे त्वं मांसमेधोऽस्ति पुरीशराशौ सर्वात्मनि ब्रह्मणि निर्विकल्पे कुरुष्व शान्तिं परमां भजस्व अन्वय मूढबुद्धे अत्र मांसमेधोऽस्ति पुरीशराशौ आत्मबुद्धिं त्यज निर्विकल्पे सर्वात्मनि ब्रह्मणि कुरुष्व परमां शांतिं भजस्व. Again, मूढबुद्धे अत्र मांस मेधः अस्ति पुरीशराशौ आत्मबुद्धिं त्यज निर्विकल्पे सर्वात्मनि ब्रह्मणि कुरुष्व परमां शांतिं भजस्व.
Mudha buddhi is a vocative. Mudha buddhi is the person and he is addressed as O Mudha buddhi. Who is this Mudha buddhi? Whose buddhi is Mudha. Mudha buddhi yasya saha. The one whose buddhi is Mudha. What is Mudha? Viveka rahita. Viveka rahita, vivechana rahita means a person who lacks viveka, discrimination, atma, anatma, viveka. So it says, O aviveki, who lacks the atma, anatma, viveka. Atra, here means in what? Tvat, mausa, medaha, asti, purisha rasha. In this rashi, he of, what are those? Tvat, skin, mausa, flesh, meda, fat, asti, bones, purisha, filth, rasa. What is it referred to? Sthula Sharira. In this gross body, which is a heap of all these, so what is that? Atma buddhin tyaja. Give up. What? Atma buddhi, that notion that this physical body is I. Why? Because Atma is Shuddha, whereas this body is Nitya Ashuddha. Even you take thrice a day bath, it is continuing to be filled in. Even you plaster your body with all cosmetics, yet it is going to be filled, because its nature is that. Its nature itself. All Bhat, etc. means to make it tolerable. Otherwise, even if this fellow tolerates, other people around will not be able to tolerate as a social convention. Better keep it in a clean condition. Western method, they spray the perfume in the armpit. That's all. And don't take bath for weeks to get. So that is not. Of course, in some countries where water may be there, severe winter, freezing, etc., that is different. But just by habit, and when bath, they take bath in the night, and whole day from 2 they say, at times their lunch also is in the night only. There is only dinner. They have no time to take lunch. All this is taken. So that is, in this physical body is the pack of filth. What you do, this notion of I-ness you give up. Why? This Ashuddha body can never be Nitya Shuddha Atma. Then what you do? See, discover your identity as I, as this Brahma. Which Brahma? Nirvikalpe Sarvatmani Brahmani and Atma Buddhim Purushva. Nirvikalpe Sarvatmani Brahmani, add that, and they are not told. So add Atma Buddhim Purushva. Make your I-ness or discover your I-ness in this Brahma. What type of Brahma it is? Nirvikalpe. Nirvikalpe. Bheda Rahite. Vikalpa here is Bheda. Bheda Rahita means, Bheda Rahita means Akhanda. Akhanda means Advaya. That and that which alone is there. There is nothing other than this. In Chandogya it is called as Bhuma. That which is very big. Nothing else other than that is there. So Nirvikalpe, and which is, now you may say, Nirvikalpe Brahmani. In the Brahma, which is Nirvikalpa. Question is where to find out? Sarvatmani, the Atma, the I in each and every one. The very Swarupa, Atma, the Swarupa, the basis of everything, not only animate but inanimate also. Not only objects but all the beings, or not only beings but also the objects, whether inert or sentient, the very basis because of which none of these can exist, in that is Atmani, that is what Atma Buddhim Purushva. Why should I do? What am I going to get thereby? Do you know? Paramam Shantim Bhajasva. Seek Parama Shanti. Shanti is peace. Parama Shanti, what is that? Parama Shanti. Supreme Shanti means what? That peace which can never be otherwise. What is it? Moksha. Moksha. Discover your Swarupa as Shanta Swarupa, Atma, Brahma, free from Vikshepa. Otherwise, the Shanti of the mind is a particular phase of the mind which can alter. That peace can come and go. So this is Paramam Shantim, that which is the Supreme Shanti in the sense which is your Swarupa, which can never happen to be Ashanta, Ashanti. Bhajasva says, Prapnohi, please gain that. discover your Swarupa to be so. Therefore, what is to be done? Deha Tadapnya, that notion that the body is I has to be given. He says, unless that is totally given up, even if he is a past master in entire Shastra, moksha is not possible. Maybe Shastra Panditaha, so that is that, but moksha is not possible. See, that is, without giving the abhimana, identity, notion of I-ness in the deha, mana, buddhi, mere by Shastrartha jnana, moksha is not possible, is emphasized.
देहेन्द्रियाता वसति प्रमोदिताम् विद्वानहन्तां न जहाति यावत् तावन्न तस्यास्ति विमुक्तिवार्तापि अस्त्वेष वेदान्त नयान्तदर्शी अन्वय यावत् विद्वान् असति देहेन्द्रियादौ भ्रम उदिताम्
Brahmoditam, Brahmena is the compound.
Brahmoditam, Ahantam, Na Jahati, Tavat, Eshaha, Vedanta Nayanta Darshi, Api, Astu, Tasya, विमुक्ति वार्ता न अस्ति. Again, यावत् विद्वान् असति देहेन्द्रियादौ भ्रमोदिताम् अहन्ताम् न जहाति तावत् एषः वेदान्त नयान्त दर्शी अपि अस्तु तस्य विमुक्ति वार्ता न अस्ति.
So long as this body identification is not given. This is yavat, so long as vidwan, you know who is this person? He has studied Shastra, he is a learned person, gives discourse also. So that also is there. So vidwan asati dehendriyadav, I notion in all this. What are the deha, indriya, adi? What are those? Asati. Asati means which are not sat, which are false, which are mithya in nature. Even though this person is a learned person, including scientists, of course, from Vedanta standpoint, they are lay persons only. Maybe a great scientist, unless he has got some knowledge about this, even Paroksha Jnana also is not there, they are lay persons only. That academic qualification doesn't qualify the person in the Vedanta. So long as Vidwan, the learned person, asati dehendriyadav, in the deha, indriya, mana, buddhi, which are asat. Asat means false in nature. What do they do? So long as what they don't do? Brahmoditam, ahantam. So, brahmoditam. Brahmena uditam, ahantam. That ahanta, I notion, born of Brahma. Brahma is error. due to ignorance, not knowing the Swarupa, taking the body etc. as I. So that arrow Brahmodita, born of error, ahanta, I-ness in the body. Na jahati, yavat na jahati. So long as he doesn't give up, means so long as this person, even though learned, identifies with the body, he says tavat, till then. Eshaha, Esha means who? This Vidwan, learned person, even if he is like this, what is he? Vedanta Nayanta Darshi. He is Naya. Naya means Shastra. Vedanta Nayanta Darshi. Vedanta Naya means Vedanta Shastra. And he has got darshan of Anta of Vedanta Shastra means even though he is thorough in Vedanta Shastra, even though he is past master in Vedanta Shastra, all Prasthanatraya at the tip of the tongue, including Bhashya, Brahma Sutra Bhashya, if you want anything, he can quote just like that. So, how the sutras are connected and all that, so you can impress upon the people. Some people, you know what they do? First paragraph of Adhyasa Bhashya, they commit to memory and rattle off. Brahma Sutra Bhashya has got a mastery over it. Only that portion, बाकी कुछ कितना सूत्र पता नहीं चलेगा. Of course, that number one did not know, etc. So that is the reason. So, what is Shastra Yonitva? वो पता नहीं. But like this. So, or he may know nook and corner of this. You know, there is a method. What is that method? This Brahma Sutra Bhashya, however much you study, however much you teach, it slips off from the mind. So therefore, there is a way. What is that? Just to keep fresh about the entire Brahma Sutra topic essay, there are what are called as vrittis. Brahma Sutra vrittis. Each Brahma Sutra is taken and in nutshell, few lines that is there. For example, Sadashiva Brahmendra is vritti, is the famous vritti. You know what they do? Every day they read. Means not completely, they go on revising, then what happens? Oh, this sutra, that sutra, how it is connected, etc. Everything is there. Even that must have been accomplished. Vedanta, Nayanta, Anta means para. Paradashi, past master is in English voice saying past master. A thorough vidwan of even the entire Vedanta Shastra. He says, Darshi Api. Even he is such a great scholar in the Vedanta Shastra, even then he says, Tasya, for such a vidwan who is Vedanta, Vimukti Varta Nasti. Don't talk of moksha. There won't be any occasion of talking about moksha. Varta. You know what is Varta? Varta Patra. News. Don't talk of even moksha. Heading moksha bahuduram. Even you don't talk of. This should clarify why sadhana chatushtaya samta. Because Vedanta Shastra is very fascinating. Little, what is that? That is what? Subtle taste must be there. Not gross taste, subtle taste. Because see, a lay person's interest in khavo pivo only. A little educated person has music, literature, poetry, like that. This fellow has got little ahead of it. So the interest in the Vedanta. Paroksha Jnana will be there. Not sufficient. even if has mastery over the entire Shastra. What is, for example, Ramakrishna Paramahamsa, where did he study Prasthanatraya? See where it is. In South Canara, there is a place called Puttur. Puttur. There, a person, very elderly person, is called Ajja. Ajja means grandfather. Grandfather. Ajja means grandfather. Anywhere, you go there, if anyone, if I ask a street boy, where is Ajja, they will tell you. Such a famous person. From his biodata, it can be inferred that he is Brahmajnani and has got Nishtha. First, he was the son of a landlord, rich landlord in olden days. Now, I don't know whether he is there. He must be beyond 85, if at all he is still there. Beyond 85. He was the son of a rich landlord, and those landlord means this thing, and married a very beautiful wife, etc. The life started, was normal up to the age of 30 or so. One day, this thing, suddenly he became violent, and afterwards fainted, etc., etc. All doctors are, because each person, doctor or someone, nothing could be done. After 2-3 days, he revived. But his, that is, interaction with the world was not normal. He is in somewhere in his own world. Looking at something, looking at the sun, and this is laughing, etc. And then nothing there. They took him to the psychiatrist, etc. They took him to Bangalore, because big hospital is there. So there, 3 months kept, and perhaps a psychiatrist was attended. After 3 months, the psychiatrist told to the relatives, in what way this person is harmful to you? Because he is not harmful at all. So he could not listen, but he is not a harmful etc. He said nothing can be, they could not diagnose, nothing can be done. And afterward, so they have to take him back. He goes somewhere in the forest, somewhere he is not there, khana pina kuch nahi hai. And do you know what was there? One Muslim friend used to be after him. And he used to take the food. Mother was crying, wife is crying, he is not taking food, etc. But and this friend used to search him wherever in nook and corner the forest, and he used to take some food from those days Orthodox Brahmin, not nowadays Orthodox Brahmins. But mother consoled herself, at least my son will survive. My son will survive. So he continued. So then it happened. At times he used to come. Sometimes in those days, you see, Brahmana Pankti Bhojana is there. So he used to go and sit. Orthodox fellows, they know this fellow is eating from the hand of a Muslim friend. They used to drive him, make him sit outside. He never used to get insulted. Quietly used to go outside and sit, eat and go. But at times it was like that. So then a relative took him to Haridwar, Rishikesh, because some Mahatmas can diagnose what is the problem. That relative understood. This is not a madness or anything there. He can understood. But no remedy was there. Nobody could this thing. He was returning via Bombay. At that time, Vajreshwari Swami Nityananda Maharaj was. He thought perhaps he can do something. He was taken. Nityananda Maharaj looked at him This Ajja, now he is called Ajja, at that time he was not Ajja. This Ajja looked at him, they stared each other for 4-5 minutes. Then Ajja returned and they said, at least he was normal in the sense, not violent, etc., etc. See, that is it. But he used to be in a solitude. He himself in a mountain somewhere carved a cave and used to himself carved a cave and he was celibate. And who used to feed? This Muslim friend. After many years, in fact, then people came to know he is not an ordinary person, he is the same. In fact, 5-6 years, Vivekananda Kendra, Bangalore, not a Kanyakumari, saying that one is they called him for a talk. They called him for a talk. And some men interview said, look, this you search your Upanishad somewhere, this must be there somewhere. Means he had Brahmanubhava, he had Atmanubhava, but he doesn't know the Shastra. It must be somewhere. He was not able to say that. In fact, afterward, then what happened was, one young girl was going to him. Somehow he took this thing and she was taking care of him. She was the daughter of a doctor. Learned is educated. So finally, she wanted to stay with him. But father won't allow. How he can allow a young girl, etc. He was quite elderly also. So, then one day, that father met. He said, look, she is not going to get married. In what way it is going to help you? She is not going to come to any wrong here as such. So that is the father was convinced. And somehow, but he has no teaching. She has picked up but is there. So that means she used to take care of him and all that. And the journalist went to that Muslim friend. He also was there. He was very old, doing a japa. He asked about the relations. He was not in a mood to talk, etc. How is he? Yes, how is this Ajja? Only tears trickled down from him. The journalist went to the wife. So what can I say? He doesn't keep any relation with me as such. I have accepted him. But he must be a jnani. Not simple jnani, has got that nishta. Anubhava is there, but no shastra. Why? Ramana Maharshi. Begin with, he had the Anubhava, then Sheshadri Swamigal has to tell this is what it is. Then through the great Pandits, he used to discern because he knows what it is all about. These Pandits don't know. These Pandits will tell us what is what, but he knows what it is. He had the Nishta, but they don't have. Then he got, that's why he wrote something that Saddarshana, etc. He put, because that shows at least some proof is there from Saddarshana, Upadesha Sara. You know how Upadesha Sara came? Upadesha Sara actually, one Ganapati Muni, no, some other person, was translating Shiva Purana in Tamil. And there this episode comes. So Shiva teaching to some his disciples. He could not, because it should be very apt as such. So it was, who was Ramana Maharshi, he wrote in Tamil. Then that Vachar Ganapati Muni, he translated in the Sanskrit. It shows, he knows the crux of the Shastra. Saddarshana itself shows. Top level, it's top level. Ramana Gita also is there, etc. It shows that is there. Otherwise, yeah. So therefore, say one may be Brahmanubhava, one have Brahmanubhava without a Shastra, but mere Shastra, without, that is what knowledge, without getting rid of identity in the body, cannot confer moksha. It is not. At the beginning, why? You should get convinced Paroksha Jnana is necessary. So that is how it is. So therefore, Vedanta Nayanta Darshi Api Tasya Vimukti Varta Na Asti. There is no Vimukti Varta. Therefore, what is to be done now? Identification of the body has to be given up. Notion of I-ness in the body has to be given up. So what is the means of doing that? How can we get rid of that? Because today, how strong is the body identification? If someone says it is not, say, you look at this person. किधर जाता है संडे को? Morning and evening somewhere this fellow goes, and these fellows don't have common sense of thinking. That's what they will think. So that we say, what is the easy way of giving up of I notion in the body?
छाया शरीरे प्रतिबिंबगात्रे यत्स्वप्नदेहे रुचिकल्पिताङ्गे यथात्मबुद्धिस्तव नास्ति काचित् जीवच्छरीरे च तथैव मास्तु अन्वय यथा छाया शरीरे प्रतिबिंबगात्रे यत् स्वप्नदेहे हृदि कल्पिताङ्गे तव काचित् आत्मबुद्धिः न अस्ति तथा एव जीवच्छरीरे च मा अस्तु। यथा छाया शरीरे प्रतिबिंबगात्रे यत् स्वप्नदेहे हृदि कल्पिताङ्गे तव काचित् आत्मबुद्धिः न अस्ति तथा एव जीवच्छरीरे च मा अस्तु।
Few illustrations are given where you don't have I notion, which you don't take as I. Likewise, let there not be the notion that body is I. What are those? Number one, yatha, just as chaya sharire, atma buddhi. What is atma buddhi? The notion that what is chaya sharira? Shadow of your body. What I notion shadow of body? You are going and the sun was bright, and do you know what happened? The head of your shadow fell in the gutter. Are you right? Yo, my head is in the gutter, etc. No, not that way. So going and your shadow was on the road and a big truck came. Are you shouting, oh, I am overrun by the truck, I am over by the truck, etc. Yeah, perfect asanga. Totally detached. Nobody need come and tell you as such. No? Just छाया शरीरे तव आत्मा बुद्धि नास्ति. You don't have the Atma Buddhi, this shadow is me. You don't have. Pratibimba Gatre Atma Buddhi Nasti. Just as Gatra can mean body or limb. Gacchati anena iti gatram. Gacchati anena iti gatram. That by which you move. So that body. Limb also. Pratibimba Gatre. Pratibimba Gatre means in the reflected body. What is reflected body? You are standing in front of a big mirror where your complete reflection is seen. Do you take that reflection as I? Even if you want to put kunku, you don't put that in the mirror, you put it where? Suppose something on the face, black is there, you don't wipe it. You wipe it. Wipe where? Here. So therefore, yatha pratibimba gatre tava atma buddhi nasti. Just as you do not have the notion of I-ness in your reflection in the body or river, etc. Suppose, see, you are standing by the side of a river or a huge water tank and you can see your reflection. You don't scream, "Arey, I am doing Shirsasana." There, your reflection will be inverted. It will see inverted. You don't scream that, "I may fall down," etc. No. Parama Vairagya. Total detachment. Total detachment. Pratibimba Gatre Tava Atma Buddhi Nasti. Again. Swapna Dehe Tava Atma Buddhi Nasti. Yatha Swapna Dehe. In the dream body, Atma Buddhi Nasti. This person weighs 250 pounds. And in dream, he was slim, very slim. Solution to the problem? Yes, to have the body one. But Deha solid. Or, see, in dream, he dreamt himself to be multi-billionaire. When he wakes up on the footpath of Bombay. Is it? No, not possible. Yatha swapna dehe tava atma buddhi nasti. Again, yatha hridi kalpitange tava atma buddhi nasti. See, I am splitting the anvaya. One anvaya was given, but you see that you don't have I notion in anything, any of this. What is that hridi kalpitange? The body that you are imagining in your daydream. Hridi kalpitange. That is Jagrat avasthaya, in the waking state, manah kalpita dehe. In the body that you have imagined as me. You know that famous illustration is given. A poor youngster could not earn anything. He was surviving on begging. Olden days, atta used to give. One day he got little more atta. In a mud pot he used to collect more. Noon time, it was the sun, etc. Whatever little he had, he ate, and he said, before going further, let me rest. And that mud pot. First day he got full of pot atta. He kept at his leg and he was reclining. So he imagined, what is that? Today I have got so much of atta. Whatever for tomorrow I can keep, rest I can. I will get so many rupees. Then I will invest those rupees in poultry. I will purchase few hens and they will hatch chickens. So I will purchase. Then I will make some money. Then I will purchase one cow. Then that means from that I will earn more money. I will purchase more cows. Big cow shed I will have. And I will start a dairy. And then I will earn lot of things. Then I will get married. I will get married. And then I will have a young son, etc. When we are sleeping together, so that is what will happen. That young son will be in between us two, etc. But that cot was little narrow. So I will ask my wife, Devi, will you please move that? She will say, no, you go. I will get angry at her and I will kick her like this. And he kicked the door, whatever. That pot got broken, some atta gaye. Afterwards, Rudikalpitange ahamuddhi, you then hear ahamuddhi. After that, he came to his senses. No more I notion in the body that he imagined. Who is that? Same person, but rich person, married, father of a son, etc. Rudikalpitange aham buddhi, atma buddhi, na. Like that, nasti, they know how kachi, even little of it is not there. Says the atma buddhi nasti. Says tatha eva. In the same manner, jivat sharire. Jivat sharire means in this living body which is wielding the prana, which is respirator, that means breathing. So therefore, jivat sharire ma astu. Let it not be there. There we are pakka. Here what happens? That notion is so. What is therefore what is necessary? Repeated viveka is necessary. That is why text is what? Viveka chudamani. This viveka. Atma anatma viveka. Atma anatma viveka. So tathaiva ma astu. So now, this was the discussion about Annamaya kosha. So he concludes Annamaya kosha cannot be Atma. Okay. And this, what is that Annamaya kosha? Deha. No, Annamaya kosha means I notion in the Annamaya kosha. And desirable, undesirable. Not only not undesirable, Maha Anarthakari, which is the source of great calamity. What calamity? Samsara. So that is now, that is by all means, Dehatma Buddhi in the body should be given up.
देहात्मधीरेव नृणाम सिद्ध्याम्
नृणाम सद्धियाम्. Again.
देहात्मधीरेव नृणाम सद्धियाम् जन्मादि दुःख प्रभवस्य बीजम् यतस्ततस्त्वं जहितां प्रयत्नात् त्यक्ते तु चित्तेन पुनर्भवाशा अन्वय यतः
असद्धियाम
यतः
असद्धियाम यतः फोर्थ लाइन थर्ड लाइन
यतः असद्धियाम
नृणाम असद्धियाम यू टेक असद्धियाम नृणाम यतः असद्धियाम नृणाम
यतः असद्धियाम नृणाम जन्मादि दुःख प्रभवस्य बीजं देहात्मधीः एव ततः त्वं प्रयत्नात् यहि चित्ते तु त्यक्ते पुनर्भवाशा न
पुनः भवाशा पुनर्भवाशा
पुनः भवाशा न अगेन यतः असद्धियां नृणां जन्मादि दुःख प्रभवस्य बीजं देहात्मधीः एव ततः त्वं तां प्रयत्नात् जहि चित्ते तु त्यक्ते पुनः भवाशा न
यतः because of this reason. What is that? Asadhyam. Asadhi means, see, the one who has got notion, dhi means buddhi. One has a buddhi that the asat things are I. That is asatsu. In the things asat. What are those asat things? Brahma bhine bhinneshu. In the asat things means in all the things other than Brahma. In all the things other than Brahma. So that's why he says, the one who has got dhi, what dhi? Notion of I-ness. In everything, all the things other than Brahma. Asat. Sat is what? Brahma. Na sat is asat. Means in the body, etc. Asadhyam, nunam, जन्मादि दुख प्रभवस्य बीजम देहात्मधीहि. The dehatmadhihi, that the notion that the body is I is what? Is the bija, the seed, the cause of janmadi dukkha prabhavasya. Is the prabhava, utpatti for janmadi dukkha. Means janma, marana, this dukkha means samsara dukkha is caused by what? Dehatma buddhi. Janmadi dukkha pravecham dehatma dhi. Because this is so, yataha means yasma. Because the cause of janma, marana, etc. dukkha is buddhi, in whose case? Asadhyam nunam. In the case of the persons who have got, that is what? Perverted notion. Therefore what you do? Tataha, tvam, you. Who is this you? See, remember, Vivek Chudamani in the form of a dialogue. A Shishya has approached the Guru. See, my plight is like this. I am roasted in the samsara davanala. Please trahimam, pahimam, all SOS calls he has sent. And he said, Mahabhaishta yogin, Mahabhaishta. He said, so Tavanasti, Apayaha. There is no saying, why? Samsara taraniyasi upayaha. So there is a way to cross over the samsara. Tvam. So therefore, O disciple, say, Tvam. Tam prayatnajahi. Tam. What is the tam? Tam dehatma buddhi. That dehatma buddhi. So prayatnajahi. With deliberate effort give up. Why that prayatna is said? Difficult to get it up. It is difficult. Means special effort. Why? Habit. Not that this life only this body is taken as I. From anadi kala the body is taken as I. It needs industrious effort. First get convinced. When the conviction is there, then the readiness to take to sadhana chatusarita and effort there. First conviction itself is not that Sunday evening pastime somehow. No, that should be there. So therefore, prayatna jahi, jahi, chitte tu tyakte. Literally means when the mind is given up. Mind is given up means when you give up the notion of I-ness in the body, which is where? In the mind. Means when your mind is no more preoccupied as I in the body. That is what is called as giving up of the body. When your mind is no longer preoccupied in the body as I. Chitte tu tyakte punaha bhava asha na. Bhavasha, that is, there is no occasion of samsara again. Once the body identification is given, samsara cannot return. Temporarily, we do give up the body identification. We do have relief temporarily from samsara, only to pick up the next moment where sleep. That gives. So that also there. So therefore, so by all means give up the samsara, the identification with the body, so that you can get totally freed from samsara. With this Annamaya Kosha description is over by pointing out how identification with the Annamaya Kosha, Sthula Dasera, leads to samsara. Getting rid of it is freedom from samsara. Now, in 165 and 166, Pranamaya Kosha is described. Pranamaya Kosha.
कर्मेन्द्रियै पञ्चभिरञ्चितोऽयम् प्राणो भवेत् प्राणमयस्तु कोशः येनात्मवानन्नमयोर्मुपूर्णः प्रवर्तते सौ सकलक्रियासु अन्वय पंचभिः कर्मेन्द्रियैः पंचितः अयं प्राणः तु प्राणमयः कोशः भवेत् येन अन्नपूर्णः अन्नपूर्णः असौ अन्नमयः
अन्नपूर्णः असौ अन्नमयः
आत्मवान् सकलक्रियासु प्रवर्तते। अगेन पंचभिः कर्मेन्द्रियैः अंचितः अयं प्राणः तु प्राणमयः कोशः भवेत्। येन अन्नपूर्णः असौ अन्नमयः आत्मवान् सकलक्रियासु प्रवर्तते।
We'll take next time.
प्रजाभ्यः प्रतिपादयन्तां न्यायेन मार्गेण महीं महीषाः गो ब्राह्मणेभ्यः शुभमस्तु नित्यं लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु। काले वर्षतु पर्जन्यः पृथिवी सस्यशालिनी देशोऽयं शोकरहितः ब्राह्मणाः सन्तु निर्भयाः। ॐ सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः।